it does strike me that when you're working with a skilled professional, be it a carpenter, a plumber, a site supervisor, project manager, architect, quantity surveyor, these are people who have jobs. And if they weren't good at these jobs, they wouldn't have them. I mean, those jobs needn't exist. So many people say to me, "Oh, I don't need a quantity surveyor. For heaven's sakes, what are they for?" They have a very important role, just as an electrician does. And to get the very best building, I think it's important to respect what people bring and to work and collaborate with them and do your job really well. Your job will probably be twofold. You might be the site labourer, you might be given a broom if you're lucky, but principally your job is to be client, and that is full-time. It involves thousands of decisions and it involves months of focus, so do that well.